Okay, first things first. I've done my skincare already, so next to prime. Don't look at the states of it. It's the contents that matters. So, you can use your lip palette to do different things. I'm going to use it as a blush, eyeshadow, lipstick. This is like give myself a colored brown. So I'm going to mix my eyeshadow base. I think I want to go for a pink brown. So I selected the pink from here. So I saw this hat somewhere on the streets of TikTok. I just hope that this thing works. That doesn't look white. This is the consistency. To see what I'm doing. I'm thinking of starting a series where I do makeup and talk about movies and or series that I've recently watched and I want to give my 2 cents. I'm not yet a pro, but I'm getting there. So I have blended it out. Going to rub the concealer as my eyeshadow base. I think I don't know what I'm doing. Looking for a tiny brush. Be advised, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going for a stained glass kind of look. Trying to mix different colors to get yellow. Yellow is so hard to get. I don't know. I just need to have to do without it. I mixed different colors in my lip palette, trying to get different other colors. I don't think this true. See me thinking I'll eat this look. How bold of me. So this is the nonsense I have after 30 minutes. Because I don't know what I'm doing again. I had an idea in my head, but I didn't execute it at all. I think I just blend everything and see what will come of it. I want to clean this makeup and go and rest, but one stubborn part of me wants to see it through. I want to outline it in black. Let's see how it goes. This is how it looks after outlining it in black. This is not turn out the way I wanted it to turn out. I feel like cleaning it. It took me a while to recreate this in the first place. How am I going to? I wish I can just copy and paste it because to start over with this one. Oh my god. I've been able to recreate it. How? I'm trying to make it give abstract art now that it didn't give what I was doing. I was trying to go for a stained glass. It didn't turn out the way I pictured it in my head. I think the obvious choice here will be nude, because the eye is already doing too much. I just need nude lips. foundation, concealer, blush, and lipstick later, I'm done with the look. But you guys rate it in the comment section. Rate me out of 10. What do you guys think of this look? I was going for stained glass, but it looks like an arts and crafts project. Something we did back in secondary school. I'm going to rate myself a 5 for attempt, and that's being generous. I have to keep learning until I'm better, I guess. So guys, evidence that you did your makeup. Evidence you did your makeup. Guys, I forgot my lashes. Oh my god. So guys, rate it. How is the look with the lashes? Is it better? Was it better without? So rate it now. Rate this look now with the lashes. What would you give me?